Okay, I would like to give a tutorial of my new choreo. It's called Jangan Hilangkan Dia, a beautiful song by Rossa. With the title of the song is also Jangan Hilangkan Dia, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on July 2022. There are 32 count, 2 walls, easy intermediate level line dance with a nightclub basic. Okay, and 16 count intro, and there are 2 tags, 4 counts after wall 1 and wall 4. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Step forward with hitch, walk back, left, right, quarter turn to left, step left to side, quarter turn to right, step forward, quarter turn to right, step left foot to side, cross behind, sweep out, cross, side, cross over, recover, closed. Section 2, scissor step, side, together cross, quarter turn to left, quarter turn to right, step back with sweep out, quarter turn to right, cross, side, cross, recover, side, cross, recover, closed. Section 3, step forward with sweep out, coaster step, recover, together, rock forward, recover, and then hitch and quarter half turn right with left foot hitch, right foot hitch, cross, side, cross, recover. Section 4, basic nightclub, side, back, recover, side, back, and then quarter turn to left, step forward, and then rock forward, recover, step back, rock back, recover, step forward. Okay, now let me repeat with a count. 5, section 1, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Section 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Okay, now there are 2 tags with 4 count after wall 1 and wall 4 only. Okay, let me give you. Okay, rock forward, recover together, rock forward, recover together. Okay, with a count. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. Okay, that's all the tutorial of Jangan Hilangkan Dia line dance. I hope you like it. Okay, I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.